Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to improve handwriting in English. Start by focusing on your grip. A proper grip is fundamental for clear and comfortable writing. Hold your pen or pencil gently between your thumb and index finger, resting it on your middle finger. This tripod grip provides stability and control. Ensure your grip is relaxed, not too tight, to avoid strain and allow for fluid movement across the page. Your posture significantly impacts your handwriting. Sit upright with your back straight and both feet flat on the floor. This provides a stable base. Angle your paper slightly, about 20 to 30 degrees, to match the natural arc of your writing arm. This alignment reduces wrist strain and promotes smoother, more consistent strokes as you write. Consistent practice is crucial for improvement. Begin by practicing basic strokes like loops, curves, and straight lines. Then, move on to individual letter forms, focusing on their correct formation. Use lined paper to help maintain uniform letter height and spacing. Dedicate about 15 to 20 minutes each day to focused practice. This regular effort will yield noticeable improvements over time. The right tools can make a difference. Choose a pen or pencil that feels comfortable in your hand and allows for smooth, effortless writing. Some prefer gel pens, others ballpoints, or even fountain pens. Experiment to find what works best for you. Remember, improving handwriting is a gradual process. Be patient and persistent, celebrating small victories along your journey to clearer, more legible writing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.